And the master of the Finnish roads leaves the start line. It's a long, fairly fast straight, building up speed. Watch for the uncanny accuracy of this man, winner of this rally for the last 5 years, as he comes now to the first corner. It's a right-hander, and we watch him set the car up here, beautifully controlled, comes to the centre line and a very straight exit. This is why this man is so good. And we can just hear in the
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.